In this video, I will show you the best way to send money from the United States to the Philippines. The method I'll show you in this video is the fastest and cheapest, because you literally don't have to pay any fees to send money through the app I'll show you. The app I'm talking about is called Nala. It's not only free to send money, but if you click on the link down in the description, download the app and send over $50, you will get an additional $20 completely for free. So go ahead and click on that link in the description and follow along with me. I'll show you the exact step-by-step process from there. So by the end of this video, you will know how to send money from the United States to the Philippines for free, however much you want to send. So clicking on that link is going to take you to this page right here. You will have this pop-up that allows you to download the mobile app. First of all, you can see they have excellent reviews with 4.7 stars out of 5. But what you want to go and do is just click get. So go and install this. Again, this is completely free. And just wait for the app to install on your phone. Then click on open. Once you're in the app, you will see this. So if you haven't used Nala before, go and click on create an account and choose how you want to sign up. I'll sign up with Google. Then select your account and click continue. And you will then see this. So first of all, you can choose whether you want notifications. I recommend turning this on because it's not just new features and promotions, but you also see rates, live transaction updates and more, which I always like, so I'll click allow notifications. Then click yes, I want to create a new account if it wants you to confirm it. And then you can choose your country of residence. So if you're sending from the United States to the Philippines, what you can do is just scroll down a little bit and you will see United States as one of the listed countries. Then click continue. And now, which country do you want to send money to? So here we're going to select the Philippines. But as you can see, if you want to send to other countries, they have a lot more available and they are adding more soon. But for now, I will select the Philippines and click continue. Now enter your phone number. So after adding your phone number, they will send you a code. Go and enter that right here. Now from there, after verifying your phone number and adding your code, you will land in your dashboard. Go and click on verify now here in order to verify that you're a real person. First, they will ask you for your address details. So fill those in and click continue. And after that, they will ask you to confirm your identity by taking a picture of your passport, ID card, driver's license or residence permit. Then you will need to take a selfie. So this is just to verify that you are indeed a US resident. So after verifying your identity, you will be able to click on send right here in the top. So click send, and then you have two options for sending to the Philippines. You can send to a bank account or to a mobile wallet. Select whichever one you want. For example, I'll do a mobile wallet. Then what you can do is click find my contacts and it will scan your contacts and you can just select someone and their phone number will be synced directly. Or you can click add mobile money recipient here at the top in order to add them manually. So you will need to enter their first and last name, their phone number, identify the phone operator, and the typical purpose of the transaction. So what are you sending the money for? If you chose a bank account, then you will need to enter their bank account details. Then after adding your recipient's details, choose how much you want to send. Now once again, if you send over $50, you will get the free $20 added on. So I recommend sending at least $50, but you can send however much you want. For example, $100. Then you can see how much they will get in their currency. And if you just compare this rate right here by clicking compare rates, you can see this is actually a good rate. What our recipient is getting right here is 61,361 Philippine pesos. With Sendwave, Ria Money Transfer and Western Union, they would get less. So go and click continue. And then from there, I haven't yet made a picture of my ID card, so I will need to do that first. But if you've already done that, then from there you can now actually send this money. Now after this step, all you have to do is just select your payment method, make the payment, and the money will be on its way to your recipient. Now in terms of payment methods, Nala is great. They have a bunch of them, including Apple Pay and Google Pay, so there will most likely be a method that is convenient for you. If you haven't done so yet, click the link in the description to get $20 for free when you send over $50. And if you have any friends or family who would also like to send money from the United States to the Philippines, share this link with them and they can also get $20 for free with their first transfer. So now you know the best way to send money from the United States to the Philippines. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.